Sister's going Ape hunting.
I'm going.
Here, you want this in like a basket?
Yeah. Take it. I found one.
Nice. Let me adjust this real quick.
Oh no.
Oh, it's already opening on you, huh?
Nope. Yes. I'm gonna open it. One jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
Or do you need me to hold your basket?
Oh,
Okay.
I'm glad finding.
All right.
Found another egg. Woo! It opened on me. Another egg. Got one. Another jelly bean. Found another egg. A peanut. Good. That was not a girl. Where's the other ones?
They go from your play set up to like halfway up the yard in this section.
Found one. Huh? Where's that piece of candy?
It might have fallen into your bag. Let's see.
It did.
Did okay.
I'm gonna keep finding.
All right.
Found one. I wonder what it is. It's a gummy bear. For you.
Oh, I think it's one of the sour ones.
Ooh, I'm not want it. I'm not prepared those. Found one. Oh, camera's not hooked to it. Found one again. Found one again. A sour one again.
Too sour for you.
Well, it is. I'm not a fan of Joe. Found another. Jelly bean again. I'm good at finding them. Is that all, Mom?
I don't think so.
Found one more. Another jelly bean. Found another. Ooh, a shellfish. Is that all?
Keep looking.
Huh? Yeah? That was a good hiding spot, Mom.
Ooh, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Well, carrot.
I see them.
See it?
I see a supply egg too.
What? No way.
Found them.
Whoa, get all the way up there. Maybe take the slide down.
Now we're getting laughing. Woo! Where is some more eggs?
So here, put those in your basket.
Well, I want to eat this egg.
Right now?
Yep. Well,
All right, well, I'll be getting it going while you're finishing out your egg hunt. You want to walk together?
yeah. Will you please get that egg open I gave you?
All right, so your play set is the boundary. So we'll just check your play set over one more time, make sure we didn't miss any.
Maybe look around here. Nope.
Looks good. So now we know we checked this side, so let's make our way up. Let's check this border.
Cardboard. What's that cardboard for there? Found egg. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's one of my favorites.
Ooh, a starburst?
Stars.
Nice. All right, well, remember we're checking the perimeter.
Found another one.
know until I look myself, so I'm gonna walk the border.
Mama, see! It was right over here. I didn't feel when I heard a circuit. Not a map. Nope. Another jelly bean.
There's one left.
Where? Oh.
This down to your food set, and then there over to there.
Where?
Oh my gosh, there's 2 glasses.
Where?
Oh, oh, I just doubled up.
Where?
I don't know. I should water the plants later. Not on me. Just that I need to water the plants. The plants you're pretty close to. I need to water them.
Oh, like this one right here?
Yeah, I need to water that one.
Oh, is it looking dry?
You're not even looking at the plant.
Found it!
Hey, Louise.
Again.
Whoa. Oh, look at these dandelions.
Wash some more.
One more! Woo-hoo. No jelly bean.
All right, now I think you're down to your final egg.
Where?
Well, let's walk back up here. Everywhere, all around.
I was an egg.
Where you'd be?
Where would you hide if you were an egg?
Would I hide?
Probably not out here in the middle.
No.
You can see. So let's look around the board.
Where? At the border.
I'm gonna need to work on my fence later.
What fence?
The fence
Oh.
over there that I've been working on.
Oh, that's the border. That might be a good spot to look.
I found it!
What? You found it. Look at all the eggs.
Jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
Whoa.
Nice. What do you say to everyone watching?
Subscribe to our channel. We're gonna do a game. Watch it.